Question paper pattern SSLC English second language Karnataka State Board. Hello dear students, this is HK Mahesh, facilitator of your learning. In this video, let's discuss the design of the question paper. It is very important to know about the question paper which demands you to do the smart work to get maximum marks. First of all, let's get to know about weightage to the objectives. I think this is not much important for the students, but knowledge of marks distribution to the objectives controls you from mugging up everything to get maximum marks and encourage you to have the idea or knack of expressing your ideas on your own to get full marks. In simple words, by mugging up you will get only 80 to 12 or maximum 15 marks out of 80. So, to have a knowing look about the question paper is more important. Now, let's move on to know how marks are distributed to the content. It's very helpful for the students know it. Prose section has got 20 marks. Poetry section has got 16 marks. Supplementary reading section has got 4 marks. Totally 40 marks. If you look at how other 40 marks are distributed, 16 marks will be asked on grammar and vocabulary. 24 marks will be asked on comprehension and composition. In total, 40 marks. I have divided 80 marks into 40 plus 40 using red and blue color, which means red colored sections are based on textbook content. Blue colored sections are not based on textbook content. In this section, even 8th or 9th above average students can score 40 out of 40 marks, my dear students. Now let me explain how types of questions like 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark and 5 mark questions are asked in the question paper. First, 1 mark questions. There will be 16 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So you get 16 questions for 16 marks. This will be on grammar and vocabulary. To get 16 marks, you need to know about 24 to 26 language aspects as prescribed by RKSEEB. In my previous video, you will get all the details about how to get 16 marks. I got very good response for that. Thank you all for your support and encouragement. So, I don't go in detail. Out of 16 marks, there will be 4 MCQ questions and 12 very short answer questions as you see on the screen. So there will be 16 marks for 16 1 mark questions. Clear? Now let's know about how 2 mark questions will be asked in the question paper. There will be 4 2 mark questions for prose section, 1 2 mark question for poetry section, 2 2 mark question for supplementary reading, and 1 2 mark question for editing the paragraph. Totally, there will be 8 questions carrying 16 marks. Out of 16 marks, red colored 2 mark shows that it's not based on textbook content. Remaining 14 marks will be based on textbook content. Here you can see how textbook content based 2-mark questions can appear in the question paper. Out of 7 questions, 4 questions are from prose, 1 question is from poetry, and 2 questions are from supplementary reading. In this supplementary reading, you can have a choice to answer 2 questions. One more 2-mark question is on editing the paragraph, which is not based on textbook content. Here you can have a relook on 2-mark questions, that is, out of 8, 7 questions will be on textbook content. Another 1 question is not based on textbook content. I think 2-mark questions are very clear to you now. Now let me explain about 3-mark questions. 4 questions will be on extracts, 1 question will be on profile writing, 1 question will be on developing a story, 1 question will be on picture writing. There will be 1 long answer question on prose and 1 long answer question on poetry section. Totally, there are 9 questions. Out of 9, 6 questions are from textbook content. That's why it is shown in red color. And another 3 questions are not from textbook content. Let me show how these 6 textbook content based questions appear in the question paper. You can see out of 4 extract questions, 1 is from poetry section shown in red color, another 3 from prose section shown in black color. If we talk about long answer questions, you can know from the colors that 1 is from prose and another is from poetry section. Now I hope you have got an idea of 7 3-mark questions based on textbook content. Then let me show how another 3 questions will appear in the question paper. Yes, 1 is to write profile writing, another 1 is to develop a story, and the third one is for creative writing by studying the picture. If we have a relook on 3-mark questions, out of 9, 6 questions will be on textbook content and other 3 questions are based on your expression. Now let's know about how 4-mark questions are asked in the question paper. You can see there are totally 4 questions. One is on essay, another one is on quote from memory, third one is on poetry, which is almost to write a summary, and the fourth one is on passage. Here you will have 2 questions fetching 4 marks together. If I talk about colors shown here, what it means? Yes, you are right. Which means out of 5 questions, 2 questions are, that is red colored, based on textbook content. Remaining, that is blue colored, on your expression and your comprehension. Now let's see how essay and unseen passage questions will be appeared in the question paper. Here comes. Look here. First, you need to read the paragraph silently with comprehension and answer the two questions given. Next, 4-mark question is on essay. Here, 3 to 4 topics will be given. You are asked to write an essay on any one topic you wish. While writing essay, try to write it in 3 paragraphs, that is introduction, explanation and conclusion. If the topic demands any sub-points in explanation, do mention. We discussed 2 4-mark questions on your expression and your comprehension. Let me now tell about another 2 4-mark questions. One is to quote from memory. Here, as prescribed in the text, there are 3 poems meant for memorization: Quality of Mercy, Ballad of the Tempest, and The Blind Boy. Out of 3, any 2 poems can be asked with choice. You need to write only 1 poem and to 4 lines, that to 4 lines using suitable spelling and punctuation. The last 4-mark question is on poetry. As I earlier told you, to answer this question, you should have the clear concept of the summary of the poem. There you will have options of 3 questions, out of which you need to answer only 1 question. So, these 4-mark questions will fetch you 16 marks. I think this is a scoring area for any student to get more marks easily. Here goes the last type of question, that is 5-mark question, which will be on letter writing. Let's see how the question will appear in the question paper. You have to imagine so and so from the address given there. You are asked to write official letter or personal letter on the topic suggested. This is all about the design of the question paper. Totally, you have 38 questions to fetch 80 marks. I hope it's informative and useful to you. Thank you.